Hi, welcome back. I'm sure you are enjoying what we are learning here. So in this hack, we will learn about the filler words. Like, So get rid of these kind of filler words. With this, we will discuss, do you have a positive body language or not? We will also see make a powerful connection with the person and also focus on the goal of the conversation before you start. So let's start with the first, the filler words. Okay, so get rid of the words like you know, sometimes some people keep on saying so I like to watch that movie, that was really good, I want to visit that place. So many people say like, when they communicate, they keep on saying like so this kind of filler words, get rid of this kind of words to improve your communication. First you have to observe that what is the filler word you are using. Actually, when you use filler words, like, you are giving time to your mind to think about the next sentence you are going to say in your conversation. So those filler words helps you to think. You use those filler words because actually your mind wants to take some time to think on the topic. But as soon as you start practicing, you have to notice what is the filler word for you, and then you have to start practice to get rid of this kind of filler word. All right, if you don't know, just record your voice and you can see like which kind of words you're using a lot. Practice, rehearse. When you do that, you will be able to communicate in a much better way, because people don't like the word you know those kind of words create distraction in your communication when you repeat those kind of words a lot. So the next thing I want to discuss with you is pay attention to your body language. When you are talking to somebody and you're sitting like this, you're not communicating. Sitting like this means you're not communicating, or you are giving them defensive. So be an open body language. Look at your body language. Is it a positive, open, or not? If it is not open, then you are breaking the communication, you are blocking the communication. Focus on your body language. Very, very important. So for body language, there is one more video I have created. So I think you might be aware about these all things. Okay. How to use gestures, how to create your positive body language when you are communicating or when you are presenting some topics to the group of people. Okay. For now, just purpose is just to remind you that you have to keep your body language open and positive. So next thing I want to discuss with you is make a personal connection with the person you are communicating. Very, very important. When you're talking to a person, try to create a personal connection. Get interested in, really show what you are really interested in this conversation, and that will create the bonding in your communication. The other person, they will like to talk to you, they will like to communicate with you. So very, very important, make a personal connection with them, get interest in what they are talking and show your interest as well, and that will help you to communicate better. So one more thing I want to discuss with you, have a goal of your conversation. Before, let's say you are going to somebody to discuss something, or maybe you are communicating, then have a goal. Focus on the conversation topic. So create a goal, what you want to do, what you want to discuss, what will be the end result of this conversation. Okay. And then when your communication starts, keep focusing on what is the topic you want to discuss. Discuss the things in the context. Don't go here and there. And if you want to talk about any business meeting or business thing, don't talk about sports or other thing, then it will take a conversation to a different place. So focus on what you want. Set a goal, write a goal before you start, and that will help you to communicate better, obviously. And that will actually produce the result from your communication. So practice these all things what we are talking about here. And I'm sure while practicing, you may get some more ideas to improve your communication. That's how our mind works. So do this mental exercise, practice, and come back to the next video. Thank you so much.